Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove a Vivint doorbell camera. Before removing the camera, start by disarming your security system. Open the Vivint Smart Home app on your phone, then press and hold the green armed icon in the center of the screen. Swipe down to the disarm option. You can also do this from your smart home panel if you prefer. Once the system is disarmed, go to your home's breaker box and turn off the power circuit that supplies the doorbell. This helps you work safely while removing the device. Next, locate the small security set screw at the bottom of the doorbell unit. Use a T5 security screwdriver to loosen or remove the screw. After that, gently pull the camera away from the backplate, starting from the top and lifting it downward. When the camera is free, disconnect the exposed wiring from the backplate terminals. If you are not installing a replacement doorbell, cover the exposed wires with wire nuts or wrap them securely with electrical tape to avoid short circuits. Finally, unscrew the mounting backplate from the wall or door frame and remove it completely. Thanks for watching.